Michael Burry, the genius behind the 2008 subprime mortgage crisis profits, is making waves again. He's betting against the stock market. But our market cycle analysis says that it's not time to hedge stocks now. Despite Nasdaq's August hiccup, it's still on a positive cycle. Hedging now is like trying to predict tomorrow's weather. Burry's Cyan Asset Management has made bold moves with put options on S&P and Nasdaq. But remember, put options are like insurance against stormy market weather. And with S&P up 17% and Nasdaq at a whopping 38%, it's sunny skies for now. Burry's bets causing a stir. The million-dollar question remains, is it time to hedge? Our analysis, not just yet. Read the article with the full analysis on the Wall Street Insider report. If you like this analysis and want to see inside our portfolio in real time, subscribe to the Wall Street Insider Report Premium. Thank you for listening.